In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo completed tasks on Todoist quickly and easily. Todoist is a fantastic task management tool that's used by many to organize their daily lives, but sometimes you might complete a task by accident or realize you need to revisit it. I'll guide you through the steps to get those tasks back to their rightful spot on your to-do list. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Todoist. Simply type in app.todoist.com/login into the address bar. This will take you straight to the login page where you can access your Todoist account. Once you're there, you'll see a login form asking for your credentials. Start by entering your email address in the designated field. Make sure that you type in the correct email you used when signing up for Todoist, as this is how the system recognizes your account. Next, go ahead and enter your password. Be sure to remember that passwords are case sensitive, so check whether you have the caps lock on. If you've forgotten your password, you can use the recovery option available on this page. Alternatively, for a quicker login process, you can opt to sign in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts if you've linked them with Todoist. By clicking on any of these options, you'll be prompted to use your linked account's credentials to gain access to Todoist. Once you're logged in, locate the task list within the Todoist interface. This is where all your tasks reside. Look for the task that you've previously marked as completed. When you find it, simply click on it to uncheck and move it back to your active tasks. This action effectively undoes its completion status, allowing you to work on it further if necessary. But what if the task you're looking for isn't immediately visible on your task list? Don't worry. Todoist provides a completed view where you can browse all tasks you've finished. Navigate to this view and you'll be able to see a comprehensive list of every task you've completed. From here, find the task you need and click to uncheck it, just as before. And here's a helpful tip: if you need to undo multiple tasks, you can save time by selecting several completed tasks at once and unchecking them all in one go. This feature is especially useful when you've accidentally completed a batch of tasks or realize that several tasks need more attention. Following these steps ensures that you can effectively manage your tasks and maintain the flexibility to revisit and rework any task that requires it. So that's how you can easily undo completed tasks on Todoist, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient.